Hi guys, this is your host Sushant Kumar and you guys are watching Be Super. So today we will be talking about a different topic that is related to digital well-being, an application that comes pre-installed in your phone and it is a product from Google that always monitors you. Either your phone is on or it is the any other state where your screen is off. So it monitors that how many apps you have used in a particular day, how much time you have used, and even how many times you have unlocked your phone, along with how much times you have received the notifications. So today we will be talking about a feature that has recently been added in the digital well-being, and that is heads up mode. Okay, so let's move to the next slide so that we can know a lot more about that, how to activate and how to use that. So as of now, we will talk about how to activate heads up mode. So in this picture you can see that we have opened the settings page, and further we will move on to the section digital well-being and parental controls. In the Samsung phones it may be little bit different because that app has been customized, right? So it may be a little bit different. So further, when we click on this option, we just head up towards the digital well-being page. So when you will scroll down, you will find an option that is called heads up, and here it will be written as tap to setup. So you will have to click on that. Further, you will see a window like this written that watch your step with heads up, and if you're walking while using your phone, get a reminder to focus. Yes, that is the particular thing that I was saying about it. Means if you are walking and using your phone, after a certain period of time you will get a notification that you should stop using your phone while you are walking. So when you will click on the next button, you will see a dialog box, or you may say a page like this, where will be asked regarding the permissions of physical activity and location. That will be optional, right? Okay, so further when you will click on those, you will be seeing this page where you have to allow or deny the access for the physical activity sensor, and here it will be the location. And when you will allow both of those, so you will see that it has been dimmed. That means you have granted the permission, right? And after clicking on the next button, you can see this page that it shows that heads up is ready to go, and whenever it will find that you are using your phone while walking for a long time, it will give you a reminder, right? So this is how you can activate, and further, after enabling it, you will get specific alerts from heads up mode, right? And what will those be like? Be careful, look ahead, stay focused, look up, stay alert, watch out. It seems like we are just opening PUBG, because these type of small phrases are being said by a voice type girl, that watch out, stay alert, stay focused, watch your step, right? So actually we can see that it is a Google product, and the reputation of the Google products are totally awesome, as they make products in the view of their customers, that how can they be benefited. And I guess heads up mode is a good step in the view of customers, that because nowadays you can see the people who are walking on roads, even then also they operate their phone knowingly that it may be harmful for them, but still they don't care about that. And sometimes they have to they just get into the problem while using the phone on the road. So to avoid all those things, this feature has been added. So if you like this video, then just please a subscription to this channel would be out of this world. So this is Sushant Kumar signing off, and thank you for watching.